How to draw a baby Yorkie. To start drawing our baby Yorkie, we're going to draw the top of the hair. After that, we're going to draw the ears. We're going to start with the right one. And then we're going to draw the left ear. Now we're going to start making the face. First we're going to make the eyebrows. And then we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. We're going to color them in black, but we're going to leave 2 little small circles inside that are white. Next, we're going to start at the left ear and we're going to make the side of the face. Then we're going to make the right side of the face. Next, we're going to draw some jagged lines from the eyes to the side of the face for hair around the mouth. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw a little tongue sticking downward. And to finish the face, we're going to make an oval-shaped nose. Next, we're going to draw the body. We're going to draw a straight horizontal line from the face to the right side of the page for the back. Then we're going to draw the tail. Next, we're going to draw the back leg. Next, we're going to draw the stomach. And then we're going to draw one of the front legs. After that, we're going to draw the chest and the other front leg. Now the last step before we add details is to draw the other back leg. Finally, we're going to add some details. This is how to draw a baby Yorkie. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color it in with us.